Hi, Easy here. My last 3 requests have been a more detailed review of my top and side cases, a video about these bikes' lights at night, and a video about my setup for food delivery on the motorcycle. I will make a more detailed review of my top and side cases, as my previous video about it wasn't really a detailed review. The one for the lights at night is almost finished, but there is something I don't like and I might start from scratch and film it all over again. We'll see. So today I'm making the video about my setup for food delivery on a motorcycle, since I find it to be more important for at least 2 of my viewers, since they wanted to get started delivering food on their bikes and wanted to know more details about my setup. I'm honored to have inspired at least 2 people to do this. Hoping to see more questions and requests. Keep me busy, people, is doing wonders to my mental health. If you enjoy my videos, I enjoy making them 10 times more. This is a smaller waterproof bag. And this is a bigger insulated one. I wanted to have 2 different smaller bags instead of one big one. This bag is for myself, drinks and snacks. And I'm utilizing the party trick of this bag. Guess what for? Yep, for the drinks. I also keep rubber bands for them so they don't spill. And at the bottom there is a double microfiber cloth to absorb condensation. I keep these bags lit up so the front doesn't lock. And that's it. Oh yeah, the gloves. So I bought really cheap gloves so I could cut them to leave my right index and thumb exposed so it's easier to use the smartphone. And no, I'm not gonna leave you hanging with the elephant in the room. This is an Insta360 Go 2 and it used to be my main camera. Don't let the size fool you. This is a great camera. I'll leave my review in the description. Since I now have a GoPro 10 as my main camera, I'm using this one as a secondary camera for secondary shots, such as the side view and this other view facing me. You'll start seeing other angles in my next videos, including drone footage and more. Thanks for watching.